My name's Connor Williams. I'm on the varsity bowling team, and I've been bowling for 7 years. And I'm really excited for this match today because I feel like we're going to do good. I'm feeling good. Our team's feeling good. I hope we're going to take this win. We really need to take this win so we can get up there in leaderboards and hopefully make it to some good tournaments and stuff like that. So I'm excited.
Hi, my name's Jason Sosnowski. This is my second year bowling. I bowled my highest here today is 644 at Thunderbird Lanes.